Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we are going to make Moo Shu Pork. Normally I go to this place called Island Spa to relax, and I'm there all day and I gotta eat their food. And the only thing I can really eat is the Moo Shu Pork, but I know I can make it better. So I'm making it, okay? All right, so we need 1.5 pounds of ground pork. And so I have that, about 2 tablespoons of oil. Olive oil is good. So we are going to cook the ground pork. So garlic, I've got about 4 garlic cloves. I like a lot of garlic. Onion, that's half of a small onion. I'm on medium heat, and I've already seasoned up this ground pork. Black pepper, seasoning, smoked paprika, and actually I need a little more oil. And my goal here is to get this cooked, and I'm gonna have to break it up. I'm gonna cheat. Because it's gonna be like ground beef, you know? So that just helps me to break it up so I don't have to kill myself. I'm just cheating. So, gonna cook this. And once we cook this, everybody know that pork has to be properly cooked. Then we're gonna add the sauces and finish it off. And we just want to separate the pork so that, you know, it's ground pork, so that we can get it cooked and have it cooked in nice smaller pieces. Okay. Okay, our pork is pretty much cooked. Took about 8 minutes, you know. And at this time, it's where you would taste it and see if you need a little extra black pepper or a little extra salt, because you want to taste it at this point to make sure you had enough seasoning and it tastes good. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon, well, actually 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. Okay. So that's got to get in the pan here. They have 3 different sauces that we have to put. I guess that's what gives it the flavor. We have 2 ounces of sweet chili sauce. All of these can be found in the Asian market. Okay, and the last sauce is soy sauce glaze. Okay, there we go. So, and we need 1 teaspoon of sugar. And now we are going to mix this up. Smell good. Nice color. Oh yeah. Probably not using the right spoon. Would make it easier. So twist this. This is easy to make. It's good to season up this ground pork a day ahead. You could actually do this with shrimp and put the sauces in with the garlic and then use shrimp instead of doing pork. We're going to use about 2 scallions, just the white part at this point, or mostly white. And then we are going to add red cabbage. So I've shredded this red cabbage. It's about, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a wedge of the red cabbage. So, I gotta think about it to give you the right measurement. I would say it's a quarter wedge of a large red cabbage. Wow. So we're gonna let this cook down. Gonna let the cabbage to cook. We don't want the cabbage too soft, but beautiful color. And we will let this just simmer, and then it'll be ready to eat. It's done. It looks great. The cabbage is crisp. Okay? The only thing that we need to do now, we need to squeeze half a lime juice over it, give a little extra flavor, and we will, oh, that looks good. It smells great. And then we're gonna garnish with the green, and so that is gonna be delicious. And I'm gonna taste it right here. So I want some cabbage, I want some scallion, and I want some pork. So, yeah, twisters. This was quick, it was easy. This is way better than the restaurant at Island Spa. So, we are gonna plate this with jasmine rice, or you could use other rice. It's delicious. Thank you for making Moo Shu Pork with us today. Twisters, Shelly's Cuisine, loves to cook. So, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button. We make videos once a week. Also tune in, Shelly's Talk. Shelly's Talk is where I talk about things that are happening, and situations and stories, just interesting things about life. So, tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.